Soft and squishy wheat ear drawstring bag. Perfect for holding small items like earphones and keys. Learn to crochet it in just 10 minutes. Materials: yarn, magic ring. Hold the yarn between your pinky and ring finger, wrap it over your index finger, and make a loop around your middle finger. Press the crossover point with your thumb. Insert the hook into the loop, pull the yarn through, yarn over and pull through the loop. This makes one chain stitch. H, chain, 2 more. Chain 3, counts as a turning chain, not a stitch. Work double crochets, DC, into the ring. Yarn over, insert hook into the loop. Pull up a loop to the height of the 3 chains. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over again, pull through the remaining 2 loops. Place a stitch marker in the first DC. Repeat to make 11 more DC, 12 total. Tighten the ring by pulling the short tail, join the round. Slip stitch into the first DC, pull tight. This does not count as a stitch. Round 2, chain 3. Work 1 double crochet increase, DC, inked, in each stitch, 24 stitches. Join with a slip stitch. Round 3, chain 3, 1 double crochet. 1 double crochet increase. Repeat to end, 36 stitches. Join with a slip stitch. Round 4, chain 3, 1 double crochet. 1 double crochet increase. One double crochet, repeat to end, 48 stitches. Join with a slip stitch. Round 5, chain 3, 3 DC. 1 DC ink. Repeat to end, 60 stitches. Join. The base is complete. Adjust size as needed. Crochet the bag body. Round 6, wheat ear pattern. Chain 3 in the first stitch. 4 half double crochet cluster, 4 HDCL. Make 4 unfinished HDC. Yarn over, insert hook, pull up a loop to height. Repeat. Yarn over, pull through all 8 loops on the hook. Chain 1. Make another 4 HDCCL in the same stitch. Skip 2 stitches. Repeat the pattern to end. 20 groups. Join. Then work a slip stitch, does not count as a stitch, into the space between the 2 cluster stitches to transition. Round 7. Chain 3 in each cluster space. 1 4 HDCL. One chain. 1 4 HDCL. Join. Continue. Repeat round 7 until desired height. Color change optional. When switching colors, join the new yarn during the slip stitch transition. Final rounds. Cut yarn. Round 15. Chain 3. Counts as first double crochet DC. Work 1 DC in same stitch. Work 1 DC in the chain 1 space above the first cluster stitch. Work 1 DC in the gap between 2 cluster stitches. This entire round consists of double crochets only. Each pattern repeat will have 3 DC stitches above it. Total, 60 stitches, complete independently. Join with a slip stitch to the first DC. Round 16. Chain 1. As turning chain. Work 1 single crochet. SC in the first stitch. Insert hook into the stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. 2 loops on hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops. Work 1 SC in each stitch around. 60 stitches total. Join with a slip stitch to the first SC. Round 17. Work another round of single crochet in each stitch. 60 stitches. Join with a slip stitch to the first SC. Leave a tail of yarn and cut. Weave in the ends using a yarn needle. First, bring the needle to the inside of the bag. Weave through 6 to 8 stitch posts to secure the yarn. Trim any excess yarn. Flower embellishment. Magic ring. Chain 3. 2 DC. Chain 3. Slip stitch into the ring. Repeat 5 times. Tighten and secure. Next, make the drawstring. Begin with a foundation chain, or start directly with a slip knot. Once the starting stitch is ready, continue chaining until reaching the desired length. Check the length by holding it against the bag for reference. Cut the yarn and tighten the end. Make 2 drawstrings of equal length. Attaching the drawstrings. Locate the slip stitch join on the bag. Fold the bag in half vertically. Thread the first drawstring through the gaps between stitches on the left side, spacing every 3 stitches apart. Weave it all around the top edge. Repeat the same process on the right side with the second drawstring, ensuring the pattern aligns symmetrically. Tie the ends of both drawstrings together in a secure knot. Attach a flower by tying it to the knotted ends, then trim any excess yarn. Glue the matching flower piece on top to conceal the knot. Repeat the same method for the other drawstring end. Done!